And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
Well, the mountains are already seeing those impacts from this next storm system that's moving in. Live look across Beaver Creek, and there's not really much to see. That snow is just really coming down as we speak. And as we take a look at Monarch, we did see some people out and about earlier on, but they have since gone in for the day. But they got some fresh snow earlier as well. They'll likely get some more this upcoming week. Satellite and radar, we are still tracking those snow showers moving across I-70, and they are starting to diminish a little bit, and down towards I-25 we're seeing that cloud cover slowly move out of the area. We do have some high wind warnings that are going to be in effect just for one county. That's going to be for Huerfano County, and that's going to expire tonight at 5 p.m., which will be in about 45 minutes. Those current wind gusts, where we're seeing those strongest wind gusts, Huerfano County specifically, so Walsenburg gusting to 51 miles an hour, not as gusty out towards the plains. It's really going to be along I-25, and we're seeing those downsloping winds. So that's what's really getting into high gear in terms of those winds, is really along I-25. The next few hours we'll slowly start to see that die down. That was that front that's going to be moving through tonight, and we'll see some temperatures drop behind that. And notice those wind gusts will start to die down behind that, but we will be seeing some cooler temperatures. Temperatures as of right now, 56 for the Springs, a little bit warmer down in Pueblo at 66, and we'll be sticking with some more 50s and 60s for the plains and some 40s for the mountains. Over the next few hours, we'll eventually make our way down into the 40s, and by 9 p.m. tonight, we'll be in those mid 30s. Hour by hour for tonight, we'll start off in those 60s around now, and then we'll eventually get down into those mid 50s by the time we get to that 5 p.m. hour. 9 p.m. will be around 44 degrees, and let's take a look at this upper atmosphere and what we're going to be dealing with this upcoming week. So notice we have a very zonal pattern, so this just means that we're seeing that wind flow from the west all the way to the east, and that's what's giving us those downsloping winds. So those winds aloft are flowing down the mountain, and they're helping to heat us up. But that won't be the case once this front moves through, because we'll start to see some cooler temperatures behind it. As we make our way into Wednesday, that's when we're going to be seeing the best chances for some snow along I-25, and that's because of this colder air that will be dropping down into the state. Futurecast for tonight, we are expecting some snow showers. They are going to be light, so if we see anything along I-25, it's really only going to be a dusting. The Palmer Divide and northern El Paso County will likely get some snow showers in there, and they'll dissipate by the time those early morning hours come. But notice those temperatures will be in those 20s. So another cold day ahead of us, and that futurecast for the entire state, we'll start to see those widespread snow showers for the mountains going into Tuesday. We'll start to see some calmer weather going into Tuesday for us along I-25. And then Wednesday, that's when that next round will move through, and we could start to see some more snow showers along I-25. Overnight lows tonight, 26 for both the Springs and Pueblo. Most of us will be in those 20s, 40s for tomorrow, so another cold day. And for the next 7 days, this is what we'll be looking like. We'll start to see some cooler temperatures enter the forecast. Tuesday, we'll start off on a colder start, but we'll eventually get into those 50s, and that will be the last warm day that we have this week. Pueblo, 46 for your Monday, eventually making it into those lower 40s by your Wednesday. Canyon City, 47 for your Monday, 44 for Wednesday. You guys will see more of a rain-snow mix. And then Woodland Park will start off in those 40s, and you guys will see the greatest impacts by Wednesday.